All right, we are getting ready to load up the car.
Truck.
We're getting ready to load up the truck. For some reason, I have this issue. Let's get that over and done with. So we are loading up the car. Oh, crap. I'm not good at this, you guys. Not good at this. It's way too early for me to be okay with, I don't know what I'm doing. So David is loading up his truck. And I am loading up our towels. I have our towels. And then there's a Kano. Hi, Kano. Kano is not going with us. We are going out to Casperson Beach, which is in Venice, Florida, to fish. Yeah. That's our plan for this awesome day. So please stay with us, and hopefully I won't call any other trucks cars. You know, because people don't like that. Thanks. All right, look what we got. They're so gross. Ugh.
Shrimpies.
Some shrimpies. Their bait guy wasn't here yet, so they're not the greatest.
No, they're just
shrimp.
Normal shrimp, no hand picks.
No hand picks, but you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do.
I'm just gonna go tool around the beach anyway, it'll be alright.
Do you want to put the bubbler in there?
The bubbler's shot.
Oh.
So I don't have one, so we're just gonna hope that they make it.
I guess we will just see if we get there and have shrimp.
That should be alright. I've made it down there and back easily.
Alright, well we're gonna drive. I think we have one more stop from here, and then we will be headed to the beach.
Her favorite stop. We won't tell you.
For food. I'm hungry. You gotta feed me if you're taking me fishing this early. Alright, so guess what?
We got food.
We got bagels. Anybody else like a good breakfast sandwich?
It's not just a breakfast sandwich, it's cafe bagel.
It's the breakfast
Venice
sandwich.
bagel. It's the best. And it's the only place I can get a turkey, egg, and cheese.
I got a bacon, egg, and cheese on an onion. So, alright, we got our spot. This is our rocks we'll be fishing on. You guys see that bird way out there? Not sure if I can zoom. See him? He's so pretty. More?
Yeah, I got more.
Now we have a bucket of greenback and some pinfish. Can you see the greenback? Little fishy doesn't want to be seen.
Candy of the bay.
Candy of the bay?
Yeah.
Greenbacks.
Greenbacks. They're good for everything. If you want to go fishing, and especially if you're going to be like where we're normally fishing, like Lemon Bay, you want to catch pretty much anything. That's actually a small mackerel. This is a baby mackerel. You see the spots on them?
Oh yeah.
But redfish, anything. I'm fishing, guys. I'm not sure if you saw this line out. No, you're fine. I'm just letting you know so there's no hooks floating around.
I'll eat your leg.
I'm fishing right here. I don't want you guys to get hooked. snorted than theirs.
Okay, we got a fish.
It's like the best worthless fish ever.
It looks like a big one, whatever it is. Lively little sucker. Oh, he's huge.
But wait till you see the teeth on it.
This is what's... Don't do that, I don't like that.
This is what's been eating our shrimp all morning.
This is David's favorite fish to catch. You can't eat them, right? Can
Can't
you
do
eat these?
anything with them.
They're so cool looking though. You guys see it? They're like,
I'm unhooking them. So.
yeah, they stink. And they're terrible to unhook. Oh, and he's gone. He gone. Oh, they are so stinky.
They are. They're terrible.
They're like have the weirdest smell to them. Like it's oh. And I just injured my toe, you guys. I can't even see. My poor little pinky toe. My poor little pinky toe. I just kicked this rock.
The one that
Not
your toe
good.
gets on.
Not good. This is my favorite part, watching him try to get off these rocks that he so happily climbed onto. I don't know how he does it. I have to stay on land. Oh, and then it's not going so well. Good job. Thumbs up. Oh. A little deeper than you thought.
Nope.
What do you think that bite was?
That felt like a stuff.
Hey.
What's happening?
So we just got done fishing. David said he almost caught a snook.
Well, I saw it. Well, the issue that we ran into is that some people stopped like 5 feet shy of where we were and just started snorkeling right where I was fishing. So that's irritating enough in its own. Whatever. So I actually get some decent white bait and I go out to one of the rocks and I look and I see, I'm not sure if it was bonnet head or hammerhead, what it was, probably 3 foot, clear as day. I was like, all right. So then I pointed at her, I was like, there's a shark. And I casted out my white bait and probably 10 feet shy of where it was, I could see my white bait about, greenback, whatever you want to call it, maybe like 3 inches underneath the water. And definitely a keeper snook, probably, maybe not keeper, 27, 28, somewhere in there. 28's the slot. Came up, hammered it, set the hook, nothing. And that was my last bait. So, and we were getting crowded, so we decided to call it a day.